What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and guess what? My room is messy again. Are we really surprised? No. This time, it is a completely new room that I messed up. This is actually the first time that I am ever gonna start cleaning it. I have a room cleaning video on my vlog channel, Jen's Life, and you guys really enjoyed that. For some reason, you guys enjoyed me cleaning up my filth. This is the current state of my room. It's not pretty at all, and I don't know why, but I'm sweating looking at my room right now. This is just like this is not who I am. Actually, that's a friggin' lie. I'm overall just a messy person. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, right now I can kind of see my floor, but it's like a freaking obstacle course up in here. I keep stepping on like my cameras and stuff, which that's a lot of money. Also, I just ate what is my hello? English is not available. I'm just gonna clean up my room. It's not necessarily gonna be like aesthetic in the end. It's just gonna be clean. Let's get started. Hi. Clearly it is another day. It is actually the next morning, and how do I explain what happened? I was procrastinating yesterday. I was fully prepared to start cleaning my room, but somehow I ended up plopping back into my bed, chilling with some snacks and Netflix, and just having a good old time. And I slept at like 3:30 a.m., which I don't know why. Do I do this every single time? Yes. Have I learned my lesson? Probably not. Will this continue to happen? Probably yes, but I'm gonna finally start cleaning right now. Let's do this. Okay, so I always like to start off with my bed because it's the biggest piece of furniture in the room, and once you make it, that's like 50% of your room right there. But first, let's put on some jams. Now that I'm finished with my bed, I'm gonna move on to just taking out all the trash and recycling in my room. For some reason, why am I saying for some reason? I know exactly why. It's a mess. Cleaning. Oh no. This is the cost of being gross and a disgusting human being. Am I gonna get demonetized? Whatever. I was gonna return this to Victoria's Secret, but now I can't because I just found a freaking like ketchup stain on here, and I haven't even eaten ketchup in the past maybe, okay, that's not true.
Okay, I know why.
I just lost $50 because I was disgusting. So let that be a lesson to you. Oh my god, I just flung my face. Let this be a lesson to you. Don't be disgusting like me. Let's move on. Sorry, I just flailed this bra in your face for like 20 seconds. Alright, so I'm in the process of... Is English available? So I'm in the process of throwing out all my trash. But I came across this PR package. This is the PR package. It's like a whole ice cream tub. It's so cute. It's from Bliss. I love Bliss. But inside there's only one product. It's just this one face mask, and it comes in this giant tub. So I personally am not a fan of like huge packaging, and this goes for all the companies that send PR. I just would prefer if the packages were smaller just because it's so wasteful, and like I kind of don't want the earth to die, you know? Love you guys, but just a little note. Why am I surfing on a piece of cardboard? Oh, Alright, now I'm gonna start unpacking my suitcase. I actually got home like 2 days ago, but I'm not the type that like unpacks right away, so this is like pretty freaking fast for me. Disgusting, 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 disgusting. Oh, there's my sock. Wow, it's really amazing the things that you can find when you actually clean. Alright, now it's finally time to organize all my clothes. This is probably the main problem for me. I blame gravity. It just pulls everything to the ground. That was a really bad joke. So I actually have a walk-in closet and it's freaking amazing. I've never had a walk-in closet before. So I'm gonna hang up all my shirts and stuff up there because I can. And then my pants I put in this closet over here. That's the tea, sis. I think I'm gonna first start out with hanging up all the shirts just because it's easier. Also put stuff into the laundry basket because I have a lot of like, just right here, I have like so many single socks lying around that I've already worn. And it's not very pleasant to the eye when I wake up. I just kind of feel like I am in a farm of polyester and cotton socks. This... Okay. Alright, so I just finished putting everything back into the closet, so good job to me. Now I have this pile of clothes. Okay. So right now I have this pile of clothes that I need to deal with. Let's get folding, I guess. Wait, why am I so freaked out? Oh my god, there's a freaking hairball. Ew, what's wrong with me? But also, this is disgusting. This is why you should clean your room. I mean, it's my own hair. Why am I so grossed out? Okay, this is going in the garbage. You know what I just realized, and what's kind of interesting? We're all obsessed with hair when it's on our actual heads. Like, we always want longer hair, more hair, whatever, hair. But once it's off, like, the second that it leaves our bodies, we're like, ew, what is this string of keratin? Just very interesting. Just dwell on that. Or not, I mean, it's not gonna affect your life in any way. That's dirty. folded everything up and I am now gonna put everything into the closet. I actually don't have any organizers for my closet. As you can tell, I'm kind of like not an adult, so that's the only explanation I can give you. I just haven't bought them yet, and this is kind of working out well for me. Well, is it actually working out that well if my room gets this messy? Probably not. Alright, and this is my organized closet. Marie Kondo is quaking. Actually, this is actually probably her worst nightmare. So if she is quaking, it's quaking out of disappointment and fear. But anyway, let's move on. Missing someone. Alright, next I had to deal with the slight issue with my curtains. So about a month ago, my curtain rod and curtain just decided to take the plunge, and I just never put it back up because I'm kind of short and kind of lazy. So I decided now would be probably a good time to put that back up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, I think, I think I did it. Woo! Alright, so I've pretty much finished at this point. It's looking pretty clean, a lot better than what I started with, but I actually bought a desk. My Invisalign lisp is really coming through right now. I'm gonna set that up right now just so that I have an area to sit and I don't have to, I'm so tired. What the frick is happening to me? What? So I'm actually gonna set up my desk right now just so that I have a place to sit and do stuff and not just lie in my bed all day. Well, I'm still gonna continue to lie in my bed all day, but like, you get my point. Also, it's kind of dark right now because it's 5 p.m. at this point. To be honest, I did not think that I was gonna be cleaning for this long. Somehow, I always am slower than I think. Let us, oh my god, I need to catch my breath. Let's begin. Ah, oh god, oh no. Okay, wait, that wasn't that bad. I am a capable woman. Yeah. Whew. I don't know if this is just me, but whenever I'm opening boxes, I kind of feel like the Hulk. I'm like, rah! Oh, but you look at that. And we're open for business. This is what the color of the desk is. No. What? No. This piece of wood is broken. Wait, are you joking me? My inner Hulk comes out. Who do I need to sue? No. out of here safe and sound. Why do I keep talking to inanimate objects? Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Sorry Siri. Open Spotify. Great Friday night. I'm not even lying though, like this is legit a great Friday night for me. I love building stuff. Low key, I feel like I would be a great worker for IKEA, like one of those people that you hire to come to your home to build stuff. No, it sounds sarcastic, but I straight up am having fun right now. Why do I keep losing Philip? Philip! 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 Where the frick did I put him? Philip! Well, where did I put it? I mean him. Where the heck are ya? There you are. There you are. Ow. That's some guillotine stuff. Oh my gosh! This is like a guillotine. I'm like actually 13 years old. Just finished building the desk. It was a whole ordeal, but I finished and I'm white as Casper. Now I'm just gonna put all my stuff on my desk and then clean up the room a little bit and then I should be done. So that is it. It is currently the witching hours of the night and I finally finished cleaning. I'm so happy that I can see the floor and walk around without feeling like I'm a rat in a maze. Still feel like a rat, but like the maze part is over. So what's next for me? Probably messing up this room again and doing another one of these videos in probably 2 months. See you then. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me cleaning up my filth. Shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.